Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic linear inequalities. In the previous video, we saw how to solve type 3 of linear inequalities. In this video, we are going to take two more examples on type 3 of linear inequalities. So let's pick the first example. We have 3 into bracket x minus 4 is less than or equal to 4 into bracket x plus 3. So as we did in the previous video, we are going to do the same thing here. We expand the bracket or we open the bracket. So in opening the bracket, 3 will multiply x to give us 3x. 3 will multiply minus 4 to give us minus 12. Then we bring our inequality sign, which is less than or equal to 4 will multiply x to give us 4x. 4 will multiply 3 to give us 12. From here, it becomes type 2 of linear inequality. So you group like terms and you simplify. I'll keep 3x here, then I'll bring 4 over. I'll keep 12 here, and I'll send this 12 over. So I'm going to have 3x minus 4x, since this 4x is positive. So when it crosses to this side, it becomes negative. Then less than or equal to, now this is 12, which is positive. This 12 is negative, so when it crosses to that side, it also becomes positive, so plus 12. 3x minus 4x. If you watch the video on addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, you will see that 3x minus 4x is minus x. Then less than or equal to 12 plus 12 is 24. Remember, the question said that we should find x, not minus x. So it means that we have to make x the subject. Now, if you have minus x, this means is that the coefficient of x is 1. We are not writing it because it's 1. So if you want to find x, you have to divide through by the number attached to x, which is minus 1. So here you divide this side by minus 1 and you divide this side too by minus 1. Now, as soon as you divide through by minus 1, you will see that this minus will cancel this minus, which will give you x over 1, which is the same as x. So we now have x there. Now remember that we said whenever you divide through by a negative number, the direction of the inequality changes. So here it used to be less than or equal to, but because we divided through by a negative number, which is negative 1, it will change to greater than or equal to. So minus x divided by minus 1 will give us x. 24 divided by minus 1 will give us minus 24. So remember that whenever you get to this level and you have minus x is less than or equal to a number, don't leave your answer like that. Divide through by negative 1 in order to get x. So we have x is greater than or equal to minus 24. You can see that in this example and all the other examples, I've been using x as the variable. The variable can be a, can be b, can be n, it can be any other alphabet. I use x because it's simple to handle. That's why. Let's consider the next one. So here the truth set is s is such that x is greater than or equal to minus 24. In the next one, the question is 4 into bracket x plus 2. 4 into bracket x plus 2 is greater than 6 plus 3 into bracket x minus 1. So once again, you open the brackets. So in opening the brackets, we are going to have 4 times x, which will give us 4x. 4 plus 4 times 2, which will give us 8. We have 6 here, so 6 will come. Then we come to this side. So the number in front will multiply through. So 3 times x, which will give us 3x. 3 times minus 1, which will give us minus 3. Now remember, the term in front of the bracket is 3. So that is what you are going to use to open the brackets. Now from here, it becomes type 2 of linear inequality. So we simplify. So I'm going to send 3x over to this side. Then I'll send 8 to that side, since they are like terms. So I'm going to have 4x minus 3x here is positive. The sign in front of it is plus, so it's positive. So when it crosses to this side, it becomes negative. Now I have 6, I have minus 3 here. Then 8 is positive. So when it crosses to that side, it becomes negative. 4x minus 3x. From the video on addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, 4x minus 3x is x. Now 6 minus 3 minus 5 will give us minus 3 minus 8 will give us minus 5, because 6 minus 3 is 3 minus 8 will give us minus 5. So x is greater than minus 5. The truth set is s is such that x is greater than minus 5. Thank you so much for watching this video on type 3 of linear inequalities. In the next video, we are going to consider how to solve the fourth type of linear inequalities. Bye bye.